You are here because you want to be confident on camera, right? Now, tell me, how many times have you hit record button and then you lose your train of thoughts? Or you actually record and then you end up not posting it because you don't like it or you don't like the way you sound. And I'm not here to judge because I've been there, I've felt it too, and so I understand. I'm only here to tell you that being confident on camera is not about being perfect. It's not about perfection. It's about being prepared. When I started filming videos, I wasn't this confident. I would sometimes press record and freeze, not knowing what I want to say. I would sometimes rumble and sometimes even film my videos and then later I hate them. I don't like the way I sound, I don't like the way I look, and I never post them. It felt like camera was a spotlight that was exposing my flaws. But what I've realized is that being confident on camera is not about perfection, but rather about flowing. And by flowing, well, that means you have to prepare. In this episode, I'm sharing with you 4 practical strategies to help you flow well and be more confident on camera. Welcome to Biba's Avenue. My name is Biba and I help you level up your communication skills, your branding, and confidence. Hopefully, after you watch this video, you pick up your camera and speak with confidence, clarity, and with ease. The first thing you gotta do is normalize nervousness. A research from Harvard study on reframing anxiety and excitement shows that mild nerves actually improves performance. So it is up to you to utilize your nervousness the right way, as we discussed in our previous post. After you normalize nervousness, the second step is to practice flow before perfection. You can start with short warm-up takes to get into the rhythm and have a hang of it. Don't aim for perfect lines, but rather aim for a natural flow. And by that I mean prepare, but don't script word for word. Don't script every word. You can make an outline or write bullet points instead of writing full scripts. That way it keeps it natural. Over-scripting increases filler words and stiffness. It makes you sound robotic. Using a speaking outline or bullet points, on the other hand, allows spontaneity. You're able to add your own thoughts as you speak, and it makes it more natural. After you get your outline ready, practice by explaining your points out loud before you record. Yes, you heard me right. Practice before you record. At this point, you've accepted that nervousness is normal and you've prepared for it. The next thing to do is to anchor your message and not the camera. Shift your focus from how I look to who I'm serving. And I mean how you look to who you are serving. Talk to one person in your mind. It can be your friend, your best friend, your parent. If thinking about a stranger or an audience who are strangers makes you feel comfortable, of course, feel free to do that. But if it doesn't, think about the person that you're most comfortable with speaking to. Then imagine yourself speaking to that person. Just imagine the camera is that person. There is a research that actually shows that parasocial connection builds more trust than polished delivery, which is the sense viewers feel that you're speaking directly to them. If you've watched this point, congratulations, because you've accepted that nervousness is okay, you've prepared, you've changed your mindset. Now the next thing to do is use your body. Energy is contagious. Yes, it is. You want to use your body and control your body movements. Sit up, use hand gestures, and smile. Put a smile on the face. Add your personality. If you are funny and you want to make your videos funny, do it that way. Make it feel natural. And that way it changes your tone instantly. People are able to connect with personalities. So if you're able to show your personality through your body, of course, people will relate to you. According to Albert Mehrabian's classic study from 1971, 55% of communication is body language, 38% is tone, and only 7% is words. And even through a camera, your energy translates, which is why sometimes you come across videos that you think this person's kind of energy is something that I want, and so I'm going to follow this person. This person, not so much, so I will not follow this person. These are strategies that I've used and I hope they helped you too. And these strategies aren't just for YouTubers or content creators. It can help you in Zoom meetings, class presentations, interviews, anything that involves camera. Of course, you can use these strategies. Being confident on camera is a skill you build. It's not something you're born with. And it takes time to build. You get better and better the more you do it. Start with one of these strategies today and you see yourself flowing confidently on your camera instead of freezing and losing your train of thoughts. Here's my question for you, which you mostly never answer, but I really need you to answer this in the comment section. What is the hardest part for you? Is it your appearance on camera? Is it your tone? Is it your train of thoughts? Is it how to start strong? Is it how to flow while you have the camera recording? Which part is it? I have a challenge for you. Film a 30 seconds or 1 minute video introducing yourself. You don't need to post it. You can keep it in your camera, but don't delete it. Do it every week for the next 5 weeks and tell me how you improve on it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to a friend who may need this. Also, subscribe to join the Beavis Avenue so that you level up your communication skills, your branding, and confidence. Until next time, I need you to keep practicing, and I want you to know that your voice is your power. Bye for now.